So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset IKEA Dishwasher, cancel drain reset, power cycle and error clear. So quick restart summary, press and hold start cancel for 3 seconds, allow the drain cycle to finish, turn the dishwasher off, turn it back on, select a new program then press start. Quick restart steps, open door, hold start reset for 3 to 5 seconds, wait for drain cycle, turn off then turn on, select program and press start. Method first is cancel and drain the current cycle. If you need a cycle or Russian wash cycle and reset the dishwasher, slightly open the dishwasher door. Press and hold the start reset button for 3 seconds. The display will flash 60. Press and hold the start reset button again for 3 seconds. The dishwasher will return to standby mode. Alternative methods are after the display starts flashing 60, close the door instead of pressing the button again. The dishwasher will begin a drain cycle and automatically return to standby mode after approximately 60 seconds. Once the dishwasher is in standby mode, select a new wash program and start to begin a new cycle. Second method is power cycle reset. If the control panel is frozen or unresponsive, turn the dishwasher off using the on off button. Unplug the appliance or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait at least 1 minute. Some models benefit from 5 to 10 minutes. Restore power. Turn the dishwasher back on and start a new cycle. Third method is reset using the reset button. Some IKEA model display a dedicated reset function. Press and hold reset or reset 3 seconds. Continue holding until the display shows a countdown or return to program selection mode. Release the button. Choose a new program and press start. If the dishwasher won't respond, try this sequence. Turn the dishwasher off, wait 60 seconds, turn it back on. Press start and close the door firmly with 4 seconds if your model requires it. If still unresponsive, disconnect power for 1 minute and retry. Thank you.